Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trade Sales coming to you live from Asia, guys. You are fired, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more, guys. So we're seeing a lot of good news is happening for the cryptocurrency. A lot of good news is happening for the broader markets. So somebody's about to get fired, guys, and Elon Musk is still in the fray, and he's still loving the Doge. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about some price predictions, some news, and some good freaking news is on the horizon for cryptocurrency out there. Even though you guys don't feel it right now, you guys still feeling the pinch. And so, yeah, it's a great time to be alive, guys. Go down there and smash the likes, show some love out there, and show the algorithm that you're a human being out there. And do share this video. I would appreciate it, guys. It would be so much appreciated. Go back and watch all my other videos, and don't miss a beat. Don't miss a trick, guys. The OG is back, and you know I've been MIA for a while. I've been busy at work, and a lot of stuff has been going on in the head out there. So I'm trying to get back on track. I'm trying to be doing 1 to 2 videos a day. We're trying to get it up to 3. So bear with me. Big apologies to the community for being MIA. OG gets a freaking red card out there. I deserve it. You know it out there. So what's going on? Broader markets right now, we're seeing that yesterday the broader markets were up over 1% across the board. So that is freaking awesome out there. And a lot of it has to do that we've had some really good economic news out there. We saw the inflation falls to 4% lower than expectation, so that is pretty good. And that is lower than a year ago, 4.9%. So that is good. That is something that's been fueling the positive sentiment, not only for crypto, but also for all of the broader markets. So it's pretty good overall. Good news out there. Also, we have the the Powler. The Fed has come out and said, look, no basis points increases. Wow, full hold for the rate hike. So that's good. That's been also one of the reasons why we're seeing things going up out there. And we are still seeing that, the psychology of the market cycle right now, people are still waiting. People are still a little bit of, in depression mode out there. So things will definitely pop up. Things will definitely get better. We got 5 weeks, 5 days, 17 hours to the next rate hike out there. So right now, 69% is saying we're going to see a rate hike out there. I don't know. I don't think so. I think that things are going to cool off. In terms of news-wise, nothing really happening. Next week is pretty quiet out there, so don't expect too much choppity chop. If you take a look at the heat map out there, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $25,501. That's up 1.28%. That's pretty much in line with what happened with the broader market. So what's really happening is that people are getting a bit more positive. People are feeling a little bit better. We're still seeing that overall the crypto markets are down from about a week and a half ago. But it's definitely part of the whole cycle, guys. Remember, volatility is the price of admission, and if you don't like the volatility, go watch paint dry. That's all I gotta say. Have you smashed the likes? Have you freaking smashed the likes out there? Go do it. We're seeing that right now the fear ingredient is pretty much neutral out there. This is a contrarian indicator. So from my perspective, this is a good time to be buying. And if you're going to be buying something, if you're going to be buying any crypto out there, remember, do your own freaking research. That's so important. Find out who's behind the projects. This ain't financial advice, just something that I try to follow. I try to avoid any project that's younger than 2 years. That way you avoid any rug pulls or any kind of, shady shenanigan type projects out there. And I tend to stay in the top 100. I'm pretty safe with that. And diversification is freaking key out there. Diversification is key. Oh yeah, baby. 50% in Bitcoin right now. Right now, you definitely want to have 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and 25% in the top 100 out there. And diversification is key. Absolutely, diversification is key. What's going on with the markets? Let's take a look. Let's dive in. We're seeing that Bitcoin dominance is slowly rising. It's going to be hitting 48% soon. Once Bitcoin dominance hits around about 52%, then definitely that will show the rise of Bitcoin, and we could start to see $40,000-$45,000 coming in. When we see 52% dominance out there. We're seeing Ethereum dominance is a little bit light out there. Still, some of the top trending coins, still like the Pepster, the Pepe coin is still, people are still going nuts on that one. Pepe, from my perspective, we take a quick look at the Pepster out there. It's basically doing what meme coins do. It has a blow off top from all-time high. People FOMO the crap out of it, and then it's just going to be going down and flat. So that's what's going on. That's what's going on with that one. I mean, I'm not telling you not to buy. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm telling you to do whatever you think you want to do. But I can see that it's just another, it's basically following a meme coin trajectory. And if you got in early, you made money. But if you get in now, it's going to be a long haul unless something really major happens. So we're seeing Bitcoin is up 1.05% right now. We're seeing Ethereum is up slightly as well. We're seeing BNB is down as well. The SEC case against Binance, and judge did say, look, we're not going to freeze your assets. Business as usual over there, so that is pretty good. Cardano is down. The Dogecoin is up 1.9%. We're going to be talking about that, social sentiment, and all that kind of stuff. What does Elon Musk think about Dogecoin? So, guys, Dogecoin will win. If you love the Doge, and Doge has been in the 8th spot for a very long time. Dogecoin, as far as I'm concerned, is more like a freaking stable coin out there. It's just right about. We are well below our 7 cents resistance level, but we do have some good support at 6 cents. Also going to show you some estimates so we could see, what people are saying about Dogecoin and where Dogecoin could be by the end of the year. And this is not my estimates; it's what people have said. So we're going to be talking about that. I think it's going to be pretty interesting. If we go all the way down, we can find the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is just it's just like disintegrating out there. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on. It just seems that the community has given up on Shiba Inu. What do you guys think? Have you given up on the ship? Tell me. I'd love to know. I'd love to hear what you got to say out there, guys. And if you're watching, don't forget the super thanks, super chat would be much appreciated. Show some love, show some support for OG. I appreciate you guys. They like the hairdo, the OG hairdo out there. So we are seeing good news from the DXY. The DXY on the daily is yesterday it had a major kerfuffle out there. Major kerfuffle, down almost 1%. So that is pretty good. That's what we need to see. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin, our friend, your friend Bitcoin, is very much range bound between 26.6 and a freaking low of $25,000. And we do have this descending wedge here, and we've been kind of just trending down. We really started from April 14th, was really the big trend down, almost like just over a month ago out there. But my birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, OG. Happy birthday. Thank you. And thank you, everybody that sent me well wishes on Twitter and well wishes on Instagram and everywhere, and all the messages, all the email, all the freaking love that you guys are sharing for me. And I know that I've been MIA, and I know a lot of you are like, what's going on? I'm okay. I'm just okay. I'm fine. I was kind of like down in the dumps, a little bit depressed for a while, and I'm coming back, springing back into action out there. So I know some of you missed me. Some of the trolls didn't. They're like, "We win." Well, guess what? The OG is freaking back. So take that to the bank all day, all night, and you know who you are. You know who you are. A lot of trolls out there still trolling the OG. But haters gotta hate. They gotta have a hobby, right? And hating is a hobby, and they're good at it. So we're seeing that Ethereum right now has broken down below our 1670 area, and it's trading at 1662 right now. So that is not good. We had this whole area of confluence that happened way back in May. We completely failed. We could not get out of that. We did rise a little bit. We were supported by this descending wedge here, but we failed. We got rejected on the 10th of June. That's when Gary said, look, he's going to sue the bejesus out of everybody. And since then, Ethereum has just been kind of going out there. So, the drawer is still out. Is Ethereum a security or is it a commodity? Nobody freaking knows. We'll know. Other good news. Here we go. You're fired, brother. So it looks like U.S. Congressman files bill to fire SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. So I got a feeling, I have a sneaky feeling that this is going to happen, that Gary's going to be out of there pretty soon. What do you guys think? You think that Gary will survive, or Gary is going to be out of there? Choppity chop chop. I think he's going to be gone. I think he's out of control. He's kind of irritated a lot of people from both sides of the aisle out there, and that is not good. So if you're wondering what happened, why suddenly the lighting has changed, that's because of the fact that there was a power failure as I'm recording this freaking video, and now the lights are back on. So I love it. There we go. Pretty fast. We're back in action. But I think that Gary's out of there. That's just what I think. I think. Also, good freaking news. Looks like BlackRock officially files for spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, will our friend Gary approve it? I think it's 50-50. But remember, BlackRock out there, one of the biggest companies out there, they have about 11 trillion USD under management. So they're pretty much a heavyweight. So maybe they've got some pull. Maybe they've got some moxie. Maybe they know somebody on the hill and they can make this freaking happen. So if this happened, this would be huge for crypto, huge for Bitcoin, because many countries like Canada, Australia, they do have spot ETFs, but America does not. Big question. It's all about Gary. Gary gets a freaking red card. You asshat out there, Gary. You need to go. You definitely need to go. If you think Gary needs to go, comment Gary needs to go. Comment Gary needs to go. Hashtag Gary needs to go. We definitely think Gary needs to go. Also, some good freaking news. Looks like just in Hong Kong tells major banks to accept crypto companies as clients. So that is pretty good. So as I said, it looks like Hong Kong is becoming a nice safe haven for crypto out there. And basically, the Central Bank of China has told people, the banks of Hong Kong, get with it. Join the crypto revolution. So what I think is going to be happening is that, China is still going to be kind of like iffy, but Hong Kong as a special economic zone is going to be super crypto friendly. So I think that's what's going to happen, that Hong Kong will be a crypto friendly hub out there. So some people are saying that we could see a dip. We could be seeing a freaking dip before we have a huge blast off. I think we're going to see that. I think we're going to see a bit of a pullback. Could be a fake out there. This rally will fail like all others. I think that we hit this disbelief. I think we're going to probably go back down to this area around about 25,000. We'll probably go back down there, and then we'll just kind of go sideways for a while, and then after that we will definitely blast off. So we're kind of like in this whole disbelief, and this rally will fail like all others, and then we'll have a quick recovery. So guys, expect a little bit of a fake out, guys, and remember that Bitcoin is just above the 200-day moving average, just above, slightly. If Bitcoin fails to hold that, then it's going to be good night, Nancy, and we're going down. Hey, did you guys know that even though the SEC went after Binance, we did see that the amount of Bitcoin that left Binance was not too much, only about 48,000 Bitcoin, Ethereum 360K. So it's not a big deal like everybody was expecting it to be. People thought this was the end, the doom and gloom for Binance, but they're still back in business. They're resilient. They're absolutely resilient. Nothing to worry, nothing to panic about there, guys and gals. Very good news, though. We're seeing a strong bounce at the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. And that was been formed since May 2022. This is Bitcoin on a monthly, in case you're wondering. And here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder. We could be seeing a huge bounce to the upside, and that could bring 170K closer and closer, guys. Freaking awesome! Get ready for 2025 mega freaking pump, guys. It's gonna be a mega pump like crazy out there. A lot of people have been worrying about what is going on with what's been going on with Binance, but we can see that the Binance reserves are still strong. Everything is still fantastic. Do not worry about what's going on with Binance. Binance is okay out there, guys. So in terms of leverage trade right now, we're only got about $65 million worth of leverage apes have been wrecked. Guys, if you're leverage trading, then you're a chump, and then you're going to lose money. And if you are leverage trading, I guarantee you that most of you out there have lost money. Absolutely lost money if you're leverage trading. Only very few are actually up. We're seeing that right now. We're seeing a bit of a short squeeze, 55.19. But keep in mind, guys, that with this kind of a short squeeze that's happening, is only 55% shorts and 55% long. The market makers could come in and create Hunter Wicks, the upside to the downside, to remove as much liquidity from the market as possible. So watch out for that. Be careful. Guys, once again, got to tell you, got to inform you, got to keep you up to date. If you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, you don't own it, they do. And if they go bankrupt, they keep it. You get nothing. Get a hardware wallet. That's all I freaking got to say out there. Guys, out there, be part of the freaking conversation out there. I would appreciate it. Be part of the conversation out there. Do it. You guys, be part of the conversation out there. Definitely, you want that. You want it. What else is coming? Let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin and Elon Musk, guys, perfect couple, perfect harmony, perfect love out there. We're seeing that Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Dogecoin will be the cryptocurrency of the world. It's inevitable, guys. It's absolutely inevitable. What's going on for Doge right now? We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 0.614 out there. It's just going sideways. We got some really good support out there. I think that this will hold. We may see some hunter wicks to the downside, but I think we'll quickly rebound out there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Let's take a look at what some of the estimates are for Dogecoin right now out there. So since the power failed, my internet's kind of gone whack-a-doo-doo out there. So we're seeing some technical problems out there, but overall, Dogecoin is looking pretty good out there. I love it. You love it, guys. So let me just try to refresh this one more time. Let me see if I can do it. It's not going to happen, guys. It's absolutely not going to happen. So Dogecoin is still looking pretty good overall. We're still seeing that Dogecoin it's sitting at 0.614. So not too much to worry about. Not too much to worry about. We're seeing in terms of social sentiment, social mentions on the daily. We are seeing that they're pretty much down right now. Not too good. We're seeing that the Pepster is also just going flat out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey woozy. Much love, guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to go and freaking follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to check out the merch. Don't forget to do all that kind of cool stuff, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Be blessed. Be well. Peace out.